Hey, I'm Tom Olaf Johnson Doromal. November 28, 1996, Sagittarius. My nickname is Tom, Filipino. Burger, white, Jiu-Jitsu, volleyball, basketball. Last night I watched Train to Busan. It's one of my favorite movies. Jim Curry, Angelina Jolie, Juice Collins, KZ Tundingan. Showtime! Jolly, hyper at sometimes, matakaw, chill lang. I was discovered 4 years ago, 2012. PBB, I auditioned sa Davao, tapos nakuha. So, doon nag-start lahat ng opportunities. At first, ayaw ko talaga. Tapos I started liking it. Tsaka, yun, I got to know friends. Sister Akas, with sila Daniel Tudita Patsugi. It was fun kasi first time ko sila nakasama, tsaka masaya ba silang tao, masarap kasama. So we had really good times. Good.